Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum, and dear fantastic video viewers, and hope that you all are doing well. And Alhamdulillah, I'm doing well by the grace of Almighty Allah. So right now we can see I'm on the Pirate one, which is located at Lebu Khali, Potua Khali, and this is a wonderful addition in our Potua Khali. So right now you can see, and behind me there is a tremendous view. So you can see, and over there, actually behind me, and there is a Lebu Khali cantonment, and beside this cantonment and there is a Paira river, and you know that Paira river is also famous in our country. And with me you can see there is Bilal Bhai. Actually he has come here with me, and beside Bilal Bhai and there is Miraz Bhai.
হ্যালো বন্ধুগণ, কেমন আছেন?
Okay, এখানে আসার পর কেমন লাগছে?
হ্যাঁ, আলহামদুলিল্লাহ, অনেক সুন্দর একটা জায়গা লেবুখালী।
Okay, thank you Miraz Bhai for your wonderful comments. And actually behind me actually there are also two people, and they are looking at me. Okay, and in the evening lots of people are coming here for visiting this place because of this is a outstanding view, and the atmosphere of this place is just eye-catching, so you can't ignore the beauty of this place. Okay, so no more today. If you like this kind of video, just follow me.